Hey guys, so today I'm going to go over some creasing and dividing techniques. Let's start off with the pre-crease. Sometimes you may need to make several folds. To make our paper more pliable and just be overall efficient, we preemptively fold and unfold our paper to leave a crease, in which we can use later on. This is known as a pre-crease. We have this guideline over here, and we have another one over here. We can use these guidelines to create symmetrical folds. In this example, we can see how the pre-creases help with symmetry. Now, let's do folding into thirds. First, we will estimate 1/3 from the bottom edge. Going to make a very light crease. Then we're going to fold again. And make another crease. And there we go. 1, 2, 3. Evenly spaced creases. Finally, we have the pleat fold. Start with a rectangular sheet of paper. Make 2 parallel valley folds. Flip the paper over so the creases are facing your workspace. In other words, they have now become mountain folds. Pinch the lower crease together. Fold over until you meet the upper crease. Flatten the crease. Now you have a pleat fold.